Hello Jay, how you doing? Victor here. I just want to show you real quick one of the mounts that I pulled off from your engine, and another one is already in place. I just want to show the second side just so you see the difference between the two. Once I install the second mount, then we won't be able to see the difference. So the car is jacked up for obvious reasons. So here's your original mount. It is destroyed completely. It's absolutely collapsed. Hydraulic is leaking out. It's just like insane. So this mount appears to be made in 2001, as we can see, number one here, and the car is 2002, so that appears to be original mount. Mercedes part number 203, part number, that's the mount. It's a 6-cylinder engine. Now I'm putting in aftermarket mounts, and it is much bigger in size, as you can see, larger, and the height difference. This is the most interesting part. As you can see, the two, this is one of the most severe I've seen. Like, this is how much higher the engine should sit. Like, I mean, obviously it's gonna go down slightly when compression comes in from the engine weight, but still you can see the difference. This is unimaginable. So, and this is the worst mount because this is the right side, the engine tilts to the right, so this is the worst. The left one probably will be better, but nonetheless it's insane. Also, when it was laying to the side, we have hydraulic fluid leaking, or whatever's in there, whatever's left in there, but that's got to be hydraulic. So this is what we're doing here, changing both of them. Pretty crazy. So another thing I want to show you real quick, ASAP to do, is upper control arms. I'm not gonna even go crazy with it, but I can compress it with 2 fingers. As you can see, that is super loose. It's insanely bad. This is really dangerous, actually. Arm seems to be shifted. If you look closer, the mounting point, I think it's shifted. Rubber is perishing. See on this side here, I don't know if you can see, the camera can show that. I can see what I'm shooting because I need to show you the actual, you see that little area right down there where the hole is sort of elongated. So we'll see how it's gonna turn out once I tighten it up. Control arms for sure, upper control arms ASAP, just like, no question about it. A little bit of play in steering. The tire has insane bubble here. This is to be replaced. That can blow. As you can see, it's not even visually, you can see how uneven it is, and that's the wear because of the control arm. It's alignment wear. As you can see, it's like square. The tire is basically square. This is the I mean, I have never seen it this bad, but let me try to do another shot. You see, it's basically like a star socket, like a 32-point star socket, definitely to be replaced. Other than that, everything seems okay because the noise is just slight. Like the play, it's slight. It's the steering wheel that moves, actually. What you hear now is the steering wheel. Look at the steering wheel. It's spinning. So it's not that noise, just the minor little noise, but not too big of a deal. Ball joints seem to be in place. The springs are even in place. Anyway, I get you a list. We'll get them done ASAP. Okay, I'll go to replace another side. I got you a little present. Ta-da! A little star. That's used, but hey, looks better than no star. Okay, so slowly moving on. This control arm is in better shape. Yeah, this one is in better shape, but you change them in pairs. The wheel is also out of alignment. I just spin it. This wheel is also off, but not as much as the other side. The other side is really, really bad. Okay, well, I'll move on. I'll talk to you soon.